I shine the most beautiful ship in the sea.
You want a video of this?
Yeah. My Nina, my Pinta, my Santa Maria, my beautiful Annabelle.
I already have one of these.
That spring we set sailing on shore, the crowd cheered while on board. The crew waved their hats. But I never had family, just the Annabelle Lee, so I never had cause to look back. I just set the course north and I studied the tracks. Towards dawn I drifted to sleep, and I dreamed of the nice deep harbor I'd find past the ice
With the Annabelle Lee.
After that it got colder. The world became quiet. It was never quite day or quite night. And the sea turned the color of sky, turned the color of sea, turned the color of ice. Till at last all around us was past this one vast glassy desert of arsenic white. And the waves that had lifted us shifted instead into drifts against Annabelle's sight. As the crew gathered closer. At first for the war, each day would bring a new set.
What are you sipping on, Jimmy?
Fucking beer.
Of tracks in the snow leading over the edge of the world, till I was the only one left.
Dude, Captain goes down with the
Then
shit.
it gets cloudy, it seems like I lay there for days or maybe for months. Oh, but Annabelle held me, just the two of us, happy to think back on all we had done. Her body to me as I chopped up her mainsail for timber. I told her of all that we still had to see. Oh, as the rusted memories of night tales and the winds lashed her sides in the cold, I burned her to keep me alive every night in the loving embrace of her home. And I won't call it rescue. That brought me back here to the old world to drink and decline, and pretend that the search for another new world was well worth the burning of mine. Oh, but sometimes at night in my dreams comes the singing of some unknown tropical bird, and I smile in my sleep thinking Annabelle Lee's finally made it to another new world. Oh, and sometimes at night in my dreams comes the singing of some unknown tropical bird, and I smile in my sleep thinking Annabelle Lee made it to another new world.